Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video. And this video we're going to be doing an upgraded version of our everyday makeup routine. This is for the year 2022. We gotta things up, you know, we gotta kick it up a notch, you know. It's 2022 guys, let's give it our best. Okay, so compared to my previous video on the everyday makeup routine, in this routine for the 2022, I've added highlight, some gloss, because in my previous video I didn't put a gloss, I just put a regular nude lip. So in this video I'm going to be putting a gloss and some eyeshadow. Yeah, so let's get her done. So first up, we've got our primer. I'm going to be using the Unicorn Glow long wearing primer. Yeah, let's put this primer on. Let's put it there. Because you know, we gotta get glowy, you know, the sun be hitting you on the right places. Oh wow, this looks kind of nice. You already see that glow. Perfect. Now, what we gotta do next is to conceal whatever needs to be concealed. Dark circles. Gotta conceal circles. The concealer stick I'm using here is the L'Oreal True Match Crayon Corrector in the shade Light Medium. Very nice. It's very convenient and an easy application when you use a stick. Legit. So in this video, I'm not gonna be using foundation. Yes, I'm gonna be using concealer. Wow, now that we've all concealered up, honestly, that Unicorn Glow primer actually hits you in all the right places. Yeah. Now, next we go with the eyes. We gotta get that nude eye going. You know, I have me the, I don't know how you say this palette, but it's a nude shimmer and contour eyeshadow. These are all colors, really cute. Let's get with the nudes. I'm not really sure if I put eyeliner in my last everyday routine makeup everyday routine for last year. I'm not sure if I put eyeliner. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that for this routine. So let's put the shadow there. Yes. Remember, this is every day, so you're gonna be wearing this every day. That looks really nice. Chocolatey. Yummy. Scrumptious eyeball you got there. Pigmentation is nice too. If you guys are doing any everyday makeup routines for 2022, please comment them down. I'll surely check them out. Okay, next we go with the eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'm gonna be using is the Rum Beauty eyeliner. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go, Rum Beauty. Yeah, I just wanted to check the hype, and it's actually good. The longer the better. Yes, I love the liner, bro. Honestly, can't live without eyeliner. Just love me the eyeliner. And now we're gonna go for the brows. So, I'm gonna have that naturally brushed brows. Again, this is an everyday look. Gotta get that. If you have thick brows, just naturally brush them. Or maybe try some brow gel, brow soap, just to keep them in place and look laminated. So if you don't got any of those, just naturally brush them out, fan them out, and you're good to go. And maybe just fill them in a bit. If they need filling in, just fill them in a bit. Yeah. Once we're done with the brows, let's add some shimmer to that eyeshadow. So let's try this right here. Let's add that shimmer onto that shadow to give it sparkly effect, yeah. Ooh, shimmer is nice. nice. Love it. After that, blush. So I got the blush here. It's called Pixie by Petra. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Pixie by Petra. Yeah. In the shade Beach Rose. So let's blush her up. Okay. Let's blush. Ooh. It's very summery. It's not too bright, not too pink, not too orange either. It's really good with a brown skin tone. Put it across the nose. It's not too loud either. Love it. Love the blush. Love the blush. After the blush, let's get ourselves some highlight. This is the Space Case highlight, Space Case Cosmetics in the shade. What shade are you? Oh my gosh. Seen from Space 1A. That's the name of the highlight, and that's what it looks like. It's just, there you go. There. Just run it over the blush. Run her over. Honestly, this is not very pigmented. I don't know why. You know what? I'm gonna get another highlighter. I didn't know this was gonna be a review or sort. Okay. Okay. There you go. There you go. You can see the highlight now. You don't want too much either, you know. Oh, fresh girl. Love it. Comment down below who loves highlighter and eyeliner. Okay, so I went to the store and I found myself a really cute lip balm. And look how cute it is. It's as big as my nose, like legit. I like this angle. Yes, I love it. Okay, so I have this lip balm. It's the Kissable Lips lip balm in the shade Strawberry Pink, and apparently when I tried it on, it's pigmented. You see that? You see that pigmentation? And then we put more out there. Since this is gonna be an everyday routine and you don't want to be always like touching up with your lipstick and stuff, you can always stick with a lip balm that's tinted. And if you want to go a little extra, this is where the gloss comes in. So again, my gloss also has pigment. It's the Glitz Beige Send Nudes Plump Gloss. And let's put it over this lip balm and see how this will turn out. That looks really nice. Oh my gosh, I love it. And yeah, last tip. Spray in some setting spray. It's a matte finish. It's a matte finish. I know it's weird because I had the Unicorn Glow as my primer and then my finish is a matte. I'm like, what's wrong with you, girl? So yeah, my setting spray is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus matte finish. Spray her on her face. Cruelty free. Smells like cruelty free. And then fan her out. Fan. Ouch. Ow. And voila. This is your upgraded everyday makeup routine for 2022. It's just like a natural makeup look, but yeah, it is your everyday makeup routine. So my upgrade was the eyeliner, the highlight, the gloss. Those are my 3 upgrades for 2022. Tell me your upgrades for 2022 in your makeup, in your everyday makeup routine. So yeah, this is mine. Again, if you like this type of video, please do comment them down. Comment down below what you guys want to see from me. And yeah, again, this is the exploration station. We explore whatever's thrown in our face and we make it our own. So yeah, yeah, so then again, subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video, and follow me on Instagram because why not? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay happy, people. Stay happy.